Hi everyone, let me take you through my soothing evening routine as a hairstylist and also a mother of three. So I will need you to stay tuned and I'll be right back. Oh, it's Rita, baby. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's really been a long day for me as a mom of three and also a hairstylist. So now I'm going to be using this eye patch under my eyes just to make my under my eye relax and not looking puffy. And then I went downstairs to make myself a relaxing tea. This is a chamomile, vanilla and a manuka honey tea, which will help my nerves to relax. While sipping this tea, I was able to go through my messages which I had not had the chance to do during the day, and then I wanted to check my mailbox too to see if I have any messages that are being unreplied. So I went ahead to discard my tea bag because I'm done drinking my tea, washed my cup and then went upstairs. Now it's time for me to take out the eye patch and then have my shower. After my shower, I just wipe up the excess water and then clean my face with my facial tonic. This is a vitamin C facial tonic. I wiped around my face and wipe around my neck, and then I went in with my serum. It's a collagen serum, so I went ahead to rub that in and let that absorb into my skin and onto my face and my neck. I also went ahead with my Q10 night cream. I got this from the product of CN, so I went ahead to rub that one in and then went in with my facial oil, applied it on my face and my neck, and then while applying this I use opportunity to massage my face using my two fingers and my thumb. I started with my jawline. From my jawline I moved to my cheekbone area. After that I moved to my under eye, which you're seeing just like this. You massage it like this. It helps to avoid any puffiness rather. Then after that I went ahead to massage my forehead. All this will make me feel so relaxed and make me fall asleep easily. I also went ahead to massage my neck, so I'm moving from downwards to the upper. I move it upwards. Okay, after that I applied my lip balm. After my lip balm I spread my what's it called again, body mix all over my body just to smell nice while I'm sleeping. And that's it guys, look at how my face is glowing. You could give this a try, you're going to like it. Thank you so much for watching. Taking off my shower cap now. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.